Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we are going to create snapshot for one EC2 instance in AWS. Okay, now you can just simply log in your AWS console and go to EC2 instance. Once you are in EC2 console, just click to view dashboard and you can see whatever things are running on EC2. Okay, now on left side scroll down little bit and just select the snapshot under elastic block store. Click on it and right side create snapshot. There are two options to choose, either by volume or instance. If you choose a volume, then the only volume going to be created for snapshot. Now the one option that is instance, it means whatever instance is running or stopped, that is going to be created. So I'm going to choose instance. Now we need to choose instance ID. If you have, then you can simply paste here and then move ahead. Here instance details, it means description, date, time, it's up to you. Then move ahead and here by default all volumes attached to this instance are included in the multi-volume snapshot set. Okay, it means all the volumes are attached, going to be created as a snapshot. Now here we can optionally exclude root volume or specific volume data. Okay, so if you want you can exclude, but we want full snapshot. Now if you want you can create new tags, else you can move ahead and click to create snapshot. Now I just clicked on it and let's wait for couple of minutes to create it. And in between, if you like the channel, kindly do subscribe, share and comment. And if you are facing any issues, I will help you out to resolve all type of issues. Okay, so in the meantime its size is 8 GB, so probably it will take couple of minutes. Let me refresh it and wait. Let's come back once it is done. Okay, so snapshots is created now and it hardly took 1 minute to create. Okay, the size is 8 GB. Now what we have to do, if you want you can just click on it and click to actions, and we can perform these features like create a volume, create a image, or copy snapshot, launch, delete, manage tags, and if you want to modify permissions and lock, whatever things are mentioned here we can perform for this particular snapshot which is created just right now. Okay, so you can perform these things and let me know if you're facing any challenges. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.